This was a fantastic day at Wright State. We had the return of some of our department heroes, Julia Reichert and Stephen Bognar, who just won the Oscar for Best Documentary for their film American Factory. It's such a shot in the arm and a real boost for morale when we have folks like Julia and Steve, or Hannah Beekler, or we've had students who've won Tony Awards come back.
We tend to foster an idea of community.
This reminds us of the excellence of what our students are doing, what their training is, and it makes all of this kind of success seem within reach.
Inspiring, honestly. It was very inspiring. Really cool to see that there are people from this program that are in so many facets of the entertainment industry.
We wanted to talk to the students. We wanted, to connect with them and to share some stories with them. We wanted to see if there was any wisdom we had to offer them, I guess.
Passing that Academy Award around and holding it, success for our students on the highest level absolutely is possible because many of them have done it.
Just feeling that and holding just a tangible representation of really how much your work can pay off, to me that just says, I can have one of these someday.
I just think that seeing so many people from Wright State succeeding, it really makes me feel like I'm in the right place.
Coming back to the Wright State Film Program matters a lot to both of us because we care about this program hugely, and we know there's a lot of talent here. The practical reality is any one of the students in this room today could win an Academy Award, could make work that stands the test of time.
I love seeing our students in touch with successful grads and former members of the department. It reminds them, and it reminds me, that success is absolutely within their reach.